Lisa, Ted 会来你的 party 吗？他会来。Which of the following statements is correct according to the dialogue? The correct answer is C. Ted will come to the party. If you had a dog, 你会叫它什么？ What would she say? The best answer is C. If you had a dog, 你会叫它什么？我会叫它 Bobby.
Ted, 你会去上海吗？不会，我会去北京。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is A. Ted will go to Beijing. Mark, 我今天下午会去买东西，你去吗？不去，我朋友 Ted 下午来我家。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is B. Ted will go to Mark's house. Mark, 这个暑假你会回家吗？不会，我会去西藏旅行。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Please choose the best answer. The best answer is B. Mark will go tour Tibet.